Hello everyone, this is A. Ahmed, your presenter, and you are watching Feel the English. Feel the English, feel the fragrance of learning. Okay. Today we are going to learn the phonetic symbols or the speech sounds. So in English linguistics, phonetics is the department uh, in which the speech sounds, the formation of speech sounds, the articulation of speech sounds are studied. Or you can say phonetics is the science or the study of the speech sounds related to the language, to a particular language or languages. Already we have learned about the components of linguistics, is phonetics, phonology, okay, all this, morphology, syntax. Today we are going to know about the phonetic symbols in English. So in case of the pronunciation, of a particular word in any language, there are some special symbols or uh, by which we have to pronounce the particular word, and these symbols are commonly known as speech sounds. These symbols are known as speech sounds. These are the symbols that make us sincere, make us understand or sensitive in what way we have to pronounce a particular word. So we have to use these space sounds in the pronunciation of a particular word and in reading, and we also be serious, and we have to take care of these space sounds in case of writing also, because pronunciation of a word also uh, makes us correct in case of writing. So space sounds are nothing but the symbols that we pronounce, that we use to pronounce a particular word or sentence or to read a language. Uh, these are some symbols. These are the basic symbols of any language. Space sounds are mainly divided into two categories: consonants and vowels. Consonants and vowels. You have you know consonants and vowels in the English alphabets, but it, the consonants and vowels of the speech sounds, uh, okay, are something different from the concept of the vowels and consonant from the alphabetical order, because these are the speech sounds. These symbols makes us ready to pronounce a particular word. So sometimes the one vowel or consonant is related to more than one speech sound. So phonetic symbols or speech sounds are the symbols to pronounce a particular sound. So that is why these are called speech sounds. Speech sounds. Speech sounds. And speech sounds are largely divided into two categories: consonant, consonant, and vowels. Consonants. Those speech sounds are known as consonants, which can never be pronounced without the help of vowels. But vowels, those sounds which can easily be pronounced without helping other sound, taking help of other sounds, or Those symbols are space sounds which can easily be pronounced automatically and can be self-pronounced are known as vowels. So consonants and vowels. In case of the symbols of speech sounds, mainly the letters from the English alphabet, A, B, C, okay, not C, sometimes A, B, D, K, P, these are used, and some extra Greek letters such as delta and with the cut, delta is used, these are used, okay, all these symbols are used in case of presenting the speech sounds. So now we have divided the speech sounds into two categories, vowels and consonants. So first we have to know about the consonants. Which are consonants? I have already told that those speech sounds are considered as consonants which can never be pronounced without the help of vowels. So in the received pronunciation of English, there are 24. There are 24 consonants. There are 24 consonants. That is, there are 24 speech sounds as consonants in the received pronunciation of English language. 24 consonants, speech sounds. And these are represented with the different alphabetical letters and other Greek letters, etc. We'll learn now. In case of consonant speech sounds, in case of consonants, these speech sounds, the symbol are written, okay, written within square brackets. Suppose pa, pa is a consonant speech sound, so it will be written as this within a square bracket. Suppose ba is a okay, ka. So in this way, we will write down the symbols within the square brackets. This is the rule, and all these rules and the symbols are approved by IPA, that is International Phonetic Association. Okay. Now we will see the symbols. Now we will see the symbol. Speech sounds. 24 speech sounds, which are consonants. So let's ready. At first we have number one. We have paw. We have paw. Paw. So we can take a word. Suppose in the word. Suppose in the word. Spoon. Okay. Suppose in the word spoon. Okay. So the whole word, the pronunciation of whole word is written with the phonetic symbols, with the speech sounds that the word contains, and these are written within slash. Okay, slash. Suppose the first symbol phonic speech sound is so. So we have to pronounce like it does so. So we have to write yes so. It is written as s. Then we have a pa, spo. Then we have long u, long u. It is written as u, and we have to put a colon after u. In case of long pronunciation, there are two pronunciation of vowels. One is short pronunciation and another is long pronunciation. Suppose short E, short E is written as I, but long E is written as I and with a colon mark. So it is short E, long E. Suppose BIT, it is bit. So here the I is short E, bit. But in case of BEAT, it is beat. It is not beat. It is beat. It is bit. It is beat. So here we have to write down as a long B, long I. Sorry. So ba, long E, then ta. So this is this is called phonetic transcription of a word. So phonetic transcription is nothing but the whole presentation of speech sounds that a particular word contains. So here we also write down the phonetic transcription so you can get a clear idea about these symbols or speech sounds. So sa, pa, long u and n, no. It is spoon. Then we have ba. Then we have ba. Ba. Okay. So we can take a word for ba. Suppose we have bal. Okay. Suppose bal. Simple word. We can take another. So ba, bal. It is a. Written in this way. Bal. La. Bal. Or we can take another word such as beat. Okay. As we have taken earlier, beat. BEAT, beat. Ba, long E, ta, beat, beat. And number 3, we get ta, ta, T. It is written as T, small t. These are written in small letters, small t. As in the word star, stam, whatever else, star, okay. Sa, ta, star, a, and short a, and ra, star. Okay. Then we have da. It is written as d, da. We have da, as in the word din, d and din, da, long e, and na, din is the word. So we have learned the first 4 consonant speech sounds in the English language. Now number 5, we have ba, ba, da, da. Then we have ka, ka. It is written as k, as in the word whatever you say. School, as in the word school. So sa, ka, long u, la. School. The pronunciation of ka, whenever it may be, the letter may be C or K or whatever C is, but it is always presented with the small k. It is ka. Number 6, and we have ka. It is written as small z within square bracket, such as goat or girl. Suppose girl, girl, ga, girl, girl. Okay. The okay, as in the word girl. girl, 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 girl. So phonetic transcription is confusion for this word, so I will cancel this girl. Okay, first is girl, or maybe goat, goat, goat. G tongue U R D, goat. Then we have number seven. Number seven. So it is actually so, but we have to pronounce in this way. So it is written as T and this Greek letter. Okay, and as in the word teach, as in the word teach, teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach. So we get taw and long E, T, and thus ja, teach, teach, teach. Then we have ja. It is written in this way. It is sorry, it is written as T and this said okay in this way, as in the word June, June, June. It is ja. We have June. So we have to ja, long u, and na. It's June. And number nine, what we get? It is ma, ma. Okay, ma. As in the word moon. Suppose moon. So am long u na moon. Okay. Am and on. These are nasal transcription. Okay. And we after ma we get na, ma na ang ang. These are serially placed one after one. Na, as in the word noon or near or whatever you can choose. Noon, na long u, na nun, noon. It is long u, noon. It is long u, moon, and long u, and no, moon is noon. Then we get number 11, ong. Ong is written. I actually not aware of the symbol, but it is a Greek symbol. Okay, it is written as this like N, but we have to make the trunk long. So in this way, it is ong. It is known as ong, as in the word uh, finger, finger, for shirt, e, ang, thing, ge, sorry, not it is finger, short and raw, finger. You can, okay, you can neglect raw because raw is basically hidden. It is negligible in the pronunciation of receipt pronunciation of English, but in case of Indian English, we can write raw. It is finger, finger or finger. Okay, both are correct in the Indian accent of English. It is R is not negligible, but in case British and American English, it is negligible. Then we get the fa, fa, dental fricative. Fa is a dental fricative. Okay, as in the word feet, feet, fa, long e, ta, feet. It is not feet, it is feet. It is feet. Okay. Number 13, we get bha, 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 as in the word waist. Bha, a, as it is not as sa and ta. Waist, waist, waist. So now we have to take new slide. Okay. This is we get now number. How many numbers we have written? Number 13. Yes, now number 14. Number 14. Okay. Now we have to take number 14. Okay, number 14. Number 14. We get, it is written as theta. Yes, it is theta, Greek letter theta. Okay, theta. It is tha. It is tha. Tha. It is also dental fricatives. Tha. As in the word three. As in the word three. Three. So tha, ra, and the long I, E. It is three. Three. So tha is written in written as theta. Then we get da. Okay, it is written as delta, but with a cut on the upper portion. Okay, it is written as actually it is written as in this way is delta and slightly cut. There is a slightly cut on the top of the letter or symbol. It is da, as in the word these, their, etc. Okay, the or the, suppose the, it is written as the in this way, the, or we can take these, we can take these, the, it is long e and z, it is z, the vibrating more. The pronunciation is za, these. Then we get sa, as in the word seat. Sa, long e, ta, seat. Okay. Okay. Or sit, sit. Short. Okay, short I is written as capital I. Okay, actually, sit. Then we have z. It is z, something more vibration, with the more vibrating sense in the vocal cord. It is z, as in the word ju, ja, and long u. It is ju. Okay. Now we get number 18. Okay, number 18. So it is show. Show is written this symbol, Greek symbol, in this way. Okay, as we know, saw is written with the same symbol but with a T before the symbol. It is shaw. That is SA's combination. You know, shaw. Sh is in the word. sheep, sheep. Suppose shaw, shaw, long e, she, and fa, sheep, sheep, sheep. In this way. Number 19. It is it is it is. There are three jaw in the consonant sound, and these three are something confusional. Okay, it is it is as in the word leisure, leisure. It is slightly vibrating, leisure. The word, sorry, L, yeah, leisure, leisure, L, and it's not L law, it is law, la, leisure, A, la, le, ja, ja, and R is, yeah, it is negligible in the pronunciation. Leisure, or you can write as I can also write the raw here if in case of Indian accent. Okay, no matter. Then we get ha. Okay, ha, 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 ha. When we are to pronounce the speech sound ha, we have to breathe out air. Okay, with the more friction and with the strong force. It is ha, ha, and the mouth is wide open. It's ha, as in the word heat, heat. It is heat, heat is not as it is ha, long e and ta, heat, heat. Okay, HIT, heat. If it is heat, so we have to take short e, that is capital I, ha, short e, and ta. It is heat, it is heat, 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 heat. That we have to pronounce. Then 21 we get la, la. Okay, la. It is written as small l. And the word light, suppose write L-I-G-H-T, light. So la, I, and T. I is a diphthongs. When we learn the vowels or speech sounds, vowels, and we will learn I, ear, okay, ow. These are known as diphthongs. Okay, vowels are divided into two categories. Okay, pure vowels and diphthongs. Pure vowels are those vowels, okay, when the pronunciation of the vowel is pure and single, but diphthongs are the combination of two pure vowels. Suppose I, it is the combination of A and E. It is I, as in the word light, light, la, I, and ta, light. I is a one speech sound. It is diphthongs, 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 diphthongs. Diphthongs. It is pronounced as diphthongs, but you see the word die here. Die means two. Diphthongs means the combination of two thongs. That is the vowel. Okay, thongs of this sound, vowel. And pure vowels are also known as monothongs. Mono means one, die means two. The mono means it is the only one single pure pronunciation. It is known as pure vowels and monothongs. And but I, ow, ear. Okay, these are girl, these are diphthongs. There are also triphthongs. We will learn later. But triphthongs is not a single space sound. But diphthongs is the combination of diphthongs and monophthongs. When when there is a word such as diphthongs and monophthongs are found in the word consecutively, then it becomes diphthongs, one after one. Okay, so next is 21 law. Next we have to take new slide. Okay, sorry for that, we have to take new slide now again. Okay, now 22, it is r. R is basically pronounced, but it is pronounced so slowly, not so slowly, but it is suppressed. It is not pronounced in the full extent and the full sound. It is the hidden word. R is as in the word father, mother. We see as in the word father. We cannot say father. Yeah. But in case of Indian accent, we can say father. But in purely the British receipt pronunciation is according to British English and American English. We have to write down this is father, father. Okay, father, father. Maybe something wrong in the phonetic transcription. I'm not aware of that, so you can check out it. Then 23, I get yeah. Yeah is written yeah. When there is y in the word, so yeah is pronounced yeah. It is yeah, yeah. Okay. As in Hindi, we write yeah. It is yeah. So it is written as small j within square brackets as all the other consonants are written. As for example, yes. Okay, yes. Yeah, a, sa, yes. And suppose okay, 24. Wo, wo. It is written. Wo, wo is written. It is okay in Hindi. Wo. It is written as W, as in the word waist, watch, etc. Waist. Wo, a, sa, ta. Waist. Watch. Okay. Work, as in the word work. Work. Wo, work. Wa, o, a, wa. Ro is not is actually okay. Work is work. Work, as in the word work. So these are the 24. These are the 24 consonant speech sounds that are used in the received pronunciation of the English language, and we have to use this speech sounds in case of pronunciation. The use of these symbols are so tough. We have to follow all the rules. So sometimes we forget all the rules as Indians. So we have to feel toughness in case of following these all the rules. The phonetic, pure phonetic transcription and the articulation of speech sounds. I will later on my videos on the topic of English linguistics. I will discuss the transcription. I will discuss the articulation of speech sounds, the articulation and the categories of speech sounds according to the articulation and the pronunciation, whatever else. Okay. Now we have video uh, is becoming long because the subject matter I have taken, the matter is taken, is also a difficult subject matter. So you have to be patient. Okay, maybe while uploading, I may make the videos into two parts, part one and part two, consonant and vowels. Okay, now we have vowels. So vowels are mainly divided into two categories first. Okay, there are 20 vowels. 12 vowels are pure vowels, or monophthongs. I have already told what are pure vowels and what are monophthongs or monophthongs. Monophthongs. And 8 vowels are diphthongs. That is the combination of two different monophthongs or pure vowels. So at first we see monophthongs are pure vowels. There are 12 pure vowels in the received pronunciation of the English language. The first one we get is long E. We have used and it is notable that as the consonants are symbols of speech sounds, which are consonants, are written within square bracket, but the vowels are written within slash, as a phonetic transcription are written in within the slash. So these are also written within slash, two slash. Okay, so long E. The first one is long E. Okay, we have to write down, okay, small I, and we have to put a colon, so it becomes long E, as in the word we have written sit or beat, okay, etc. Suppose beat, sit, okay, sit, saw, long E, ta, sit. And number two, we get short E. It is long E than short E, as in the word sit. We have already written this short E. Short E is written or presented as capital I within slash. Then we get A, A, A. It is written as E, as in the word B-E-T, bed, ba, A, da, ba, A, da, bed, 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 bed. Then number four, we get A. It is A, bed, simple, bed. It is A, okay, slightly different, as in the word bed, bed, ba, A, D, bed, bed, okay. It is different. It is difficult to find out the difference between these two, A and A. Yes, that's slightly different. So basically, when uh, the pronunciation is A and it is the letter is E, so basically it is written as A, this E, and when the pronunciation A, but and the letter is A, so we have to, basically this is okay, so you can differentiate easily thus. Then we have long R. It is long R. It is long R. Past, P-A-S-T, past. Last, okay, past. These are long R. Pa, long R. And long R is written as small a with the colon or two dot, particularly this fast, fa, long a, s, and fast, and last same. Okay, last, fast, fa, long a, sa, tha, s, tha, fast, last. These are okay. And number 6 we get okay, what we get? Oh, oh, it is written as okay, it is written as a, but it is not. It is mirror a. Okay, mirrored a. Okay, or you can say the when a is rotate. Okay, then it becomes opposite. Okay, so you can understand what I saying. It is written as a, but in not in the actual position, but in the opposite position of a. It is a, as in the word lost. La, sorry, the lost. Number 7 we get oh, oh. It is written as this. Okay, symbol. The opposite of C. In the C is written as H is written as this, and with the colon. Okay, is O, as in the word so, so, so. Oh, it is O. It is O. So, 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 O. Okay, so okay, this is. Then we have to take a new slide again. Okay, sorry for the delay. Okay, okay. Then we have long u. We have used long u in the many words earlier. Long u and colon with the colon. It is written as small u with the colon, symbol of colon, or you can say particularly two dot. Toe, as in the word toe. Toe. One toe. T is tall. Long u. Two. Number 9 we get. Okay, it is short u. It is long u. It is short u. Short u is written without the symbol of colon, as in the word put. Put. Pa. Long u. Short u. Sorry. Ta. Put. As in the word put. That is written this way. And we get number 10. Short a. Short a is written as in this way. It is you can remember as it is a without the cut, or it is the opposite of b. Opposite of b. Okay. So as in the word cut, as in the word part. Okay, as in the word cup. Cut, part, cup. These are the words that contain short a. Ka, short a, top cut. That is but. Okay, but. And it is cup, ka, a, ha, cup. Cut, but, cup. Okay, that is the short a. Basically, uh, we can easily understand when the the pronunciation of short we have to apply. It is basically when the letter u is applied in the word, and it is applied in the middle portion, and the pronunciation is begins as a. Okay, with the letter U. So we have it becomes short A. The number 11, A. It is so difficult. Yes, it is. Sorry, sorry. Okay, now number 11 it is A. Okay, just confused. It is A, as in the word girl, as in the word girl. I. It is I. Ga, I, and law. Because R is negligible, so R is row is negligible here, so row is not written. You can write as according to Indian accent. Girl, it is girl, girl, in this way. So differentiation is so difficult. You have to be very serious. Then it is it is as in the word father, as in the word mother, as in the word phonetics, as in the word okay, right, right, right. So it is sorry, for for and the row is negligible. Father, mother, mother. Okay, thus phonetics also for phonetics for phonetics. No, phonetics. Phonetics. Okay. So right, right. Okay. So this is a. So these are all monophthongs or pure vowels. Okay. Now we will get the other 8 diphthongs. That is a combination of 2 monophthongs. Okay. Okay. Diphthongs. There are 8 diphthongs. I have already said that. So out of diphthongs, we can have from 13, or total number of vowels are 12. So 13 we get the first diphthongs is A. A is the combination of A and short E. A, 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 as in the word light, light, la, A, and ta, late, light. Then we have I have told and used also. I, as in the word light. I have also already used this word light, fight, okay, sight, whatever else. Light, fight, sight, uh, right, okay, right. I have used, suppose. Yes, I have used there. You can see there. I have used this. This. Okay. It is I. So in case of all these phonetic transcription will be as law, I, ta, light, and for I, ta, fight, so I, ta, sight. This number 15 is the third diphthong is a, a, and the combination of a and e, shorty, as in the word boy, as in the word toy. Okay, so ba, I, by, ta, I, tie. That's 16. We get ow. It is a combination of a. Okay, it's a combination of a, which was written as short a. Okay, combination of a and ow, ow. Okay, short u, as in the word. We get bow, cow. Okay, b, that is bow, ow, bow, caw, ow, cow. Okay, it is ow. Then we get oat, o. It is and a, and sort of as in the word coat, coat, coat. Okay, coat, the word coat, boat. Okay, boat. That's okay. Then we get ear. It's a combination of short e and a, ear, as in the word here, beer, tear. Okay, here, her, ear, here. R is negligible. You can also put R in case Indian accent. You can put no matter. You can put or you can neglect the raw. So beer or beer, beer, tear, ta, and ear, tear. Okay, that's is ear. Now then we get the number 19. Okay, it is ua, ua, as in the word tour, tour. Okay, so tour, ta, and ua, tour. Combination of short u and a. And at the last diphthong, the last diphthong we get, it is air, is air, as a and a, combination of a and air, where, okay, as in the word where, oh, where, okay. So these are the vowels, space sounds. Okay, vowels and consonants we have learned. 24 consonants and 20 vowels, out of which uh, 12 are pure vowels and monophthongs, and 8 are diphthongs. Okay, diphthongs, monophthongs and diphthongs. So we have diphth, dip, D-I-P-H, diphth, okay, diphthongs. So we have got some idea from this video presentation. What are the speech sounds? Okay, symbols of speech sounds, vowels and consonants. Okay, so next we will start, okay, categories of this speech sounds, articulation, and etc. Okay, so please keep watching Feel the English. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new. More interesting video will be uploaded. Okay, so please subscribe, don't neglect it, and share with your friends. Please hit the like button. Please appreciate our hard work, like and comment. on the comment section, and please share and subscribe. It is necessary. Without your support, we cannot grow. Please share and subscribe. Please share and subscribe. Okay. So thank you for watching once again. God bless you. Bye bye.